Hi, thanks for checking this video. In this video, we'll see how we can clone or duplicate a successful Shopify store from the internet. So for some reason, if you want to start a Shopify store and if you found a successful store in your niche, then how you can clone it. So this is not the tutorial about how to clone your own store from a Shopify store to another. This is another subject, how to transfer data or the design that you already have in one of your store. You wanted to make the similar store with a different name, then this is not the correct video. This is the video that will show you details about how to clone or duplicate a successful Shopify store that you found on the internet to make a similar store with the products, and with maybe you can change the text or colors or images as well when you launch a different brand. So I will just try to show you the process how you can do that. So first of all, you need to find a successful Shopify store in your niche. So this is the, so suppose this is one of the store that one of my client wanted to clone. So first of all, find a store just like that in your niche, and then analyze the store design and check if the store made with Shopify or not. So first of all, when I come to this store, I can easily say it is a Shopify store with seeing the design, because I know it is made with Debutify theme. After making 100 plus Shopify store and landing pages, I can easily detect that. But if you are someone that you are not have that much experience with the Shopify stores to see it in the first site that it is made with Shopify or not, you can use this extension which called Shopify theme detector. So search for Shopify theme detector Chrome extension and then add it in your store, and then click on this extension. Then it will search the theme name for us from the store. Okay, then you can see this is the Debutify theme. This is made with Debutify theme. So we can just confirm that it is made with Debutify theme. But I can say that by seeing the header and footer design already. Then what you need to check if this can be done with Debutify alone with or not. The whole design layout. Okay, it may be they have used another separate app like Page Builder app, or they can only use the theme for the header design, or maybe they have designed the body entirely with code. So then we need to try to detect the theme. We already did it with the Chrome extension, and then we need to see the source code for further. Okay, source code, what the source code means, just right click and then click inspect to see the source code, and the source code will detect if it is a made with Page Builder app or not. So if we go to the source code, you can see in the source code there is a gem header, gem main editor, which actually suggested that this store is designed with Gem Pages Page Builder, which is a Shopify app and which is currently not available in Shopify. But there is an alternative, is called Pagefly. So that means we can do the design with Pagefly Page Builder app. I can easily detect that. Then try to go to their product pages. Then go to the our shop pages and try to check each and other pages how that was made. So if you go to any of these product pages, you can see that this product is also made with Gem Pages, if I am not wrong, and also it has some custom product options. So this custom product option can also be added with bold product options, similar app just like that. So if you go through, I can easily say this is also designed with Gem Pages. So you have to analyze the design. So for that, you can do it on your own, or you can hire somebody just like me with experience who have designed the Shopify store, who can analyze the store for you and tell how we can achieve this. Do we can achieve this with a Shopify theme like Debutify, or a premium theme like Turbo, Prestige, any theme, or we need a external app just like Gem Pages or Pagefly, or we need entirely to do with custom code. So this has to be decided after analyzing the design. Okay, then find the related app, just I did with Shopify with Pagefly. I will do the design with Pagefly. And also if you check this design, you can see there is a custom product option, there is reviews as well, which is also added by looks. I can see, I can check, I can say that by looking at the design of the reviews. And also there is an Instagram feed which is also added by a Shopify app called InstaFeed app. So these are the things you need to identify by analyzing the design and also start doing the design. So this is the something that I will show you how we can do a similar home page using Pagefly in the next part of the video. So these are the some point that you wanted to clarify after finding a successful store in your niche, just try to analyze the design by your own. And if you don't do cannot able to do it, just hire someone expert in the field just like me, who can do the analyzing for you, who can give you a solution how you can achieve that design and give you the suggestion and start doing the design. So now in the next part I will show you how I will made this homepage, just for example, to show you how I can do that, how we can do that using Pagefly page builder app easily. This custom layout, how Pagefly can done this for you. So let's do that with the Pagefly app. Okay, so to add the app, we first need to set up a store. So I already have a set up a development store. So you can set up a store with Shopify trial or a development Shopify store as well. And the next task is to just follow this link jahinshahriar.com/pagefly to install the Pagefly app. Then click enter, and this will redirect us to the Pagefly app installation process. Then click add app. Then click add app. I will put the link in the description as well. Just go to that link and install that app. Also, you will find so there is some issue going on. Okay, let's try again. Then click add app, and then we need to put our store URL. So for some reason there was an error. Then just go to your Shopify store and then copy from the above my.shopify.com and then paste it here. Then click login. Then choose your email address. So this is my email address for now. For this store, you may have only one. So I have other as well. So I am seeing this. So then Pagefly will be installed, right? So it will ask our permission. So if you are the store owner, you can easily install the app. Okay, then this will show us the Pagefly editor. So one things to notice, this is a development store. So for the development store, it is not showing us the plan. But if you are using in a trial Shopify store or a live Shopify store, then you have to go to explore pricing, and based on your requirement, you may need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so for free you can just only create one home page, one sub page, and a one product page. So if you need more than that, I will highly suggest you to go for silver or gold, and you will find the few coupon code in the description as well to upgrade your plan to silver, gold, or platinum. But gold is the standard, and this will cover all the necessary things because it will allow us to create 30 product pages, and I think 30 product pages and 30 regular pages as well. So this will be enough for any store. Okay, then go back to again and then open another tab, and we need to install the looks as well. Then go to jahinshahriar.com/looks. You will find the links in the description for the installation links. Just go to that links and install the apps. This is the looks app. Then click add app, and then this will install the looks app as well. So we are using looks just for collecting the reviews in our store. We will import the reviews from AliExpress, so it have the more social proof for our customer. And I can just use looks for free because this is a development store. You need to choose a plan. So this will be $34 plan. You can choose it, and this will work fine in your store as well. And then for now we can just skip those settings. We don't need those. And then other things we need to install, if we just refresh, is the theme. So as I said, from the analyzing that this has been made with Debutify theme. So to install that, you need to go to install it, open a new tab, and then again go to jahinshahriar.com/debutify. I will put the link in the description. Just go to that link and you will redirect to the necessary website, so you don't need to search for them. Then click try Debutify for free. Then we need to give just a name, and a random email will also work just like that. Just give a random email here, then click try Debutify free, and then give your store URL from your store. So I'll copy my.shopify.com from my store and then paste it here and click try Debutify free. Then click install unlisted app. So this will not be an issue. So this will also add the Debutify theme in our store as well. Then what we need to do is to add the theme to our library. So click download theme. then we need to click add to theme library. Okay, if we don't add it to theme library, we cannot able to use it. We don't need those. Okay, and it is also come with free and premium plan as well. So if you think you need the premium version of those, then you can upgrade to the premium plan, because it gives us 14 days free trial. After that, you will only have the free plans. But I think what we'll do with this store, free plan will be enough for us. Okay, then if we go to online store and refresh the online store and themes section, if the theme has been added successfully, we will see Debutify here. So you can see Debutify is already there. Then I will click on action and click on publish the theme, because we wanted to use this theme in our store. Okay, so this has published our theme. Now we can start doing the design, like setting up our color for header, footer, and also doing the custom page design using the Pagefly builder. Refresh your apps, because it is not showing us the app that we have already installed. So you can see there is the Pagefly app is there. Okay, so now we'll start doing the home page design as we show here using Pagefly. I will show you step by step how you can design a custom home page, and the power of Pagefly. If you have the similar things to clone or duplicate, how you can do that using Pagefly builder. So let's start doing the design inside Pagefly. Okay, so to start doing the design in Pagefly, just comes to the apps in our store and then click Pagefly app. Then it will open the dashboard for us. So as I said that we will do the home page design inside the Pagefly. So first of all, one thing before you doing any design is just go through and select the colors or have your own color plate, so it becomes the life easier, and also check which font they are using. So I have a Chrome extension here as well. It is called what font. By this you can easily check the font in your store. So this is they are using the Ubuntu font. So you can see this is the name of the font. In the whole store the same font is repeating, so this is the font that we will use. Okay, then Pagefly has been opened. Then go to home page. So we are creating the home page. Then I have already designed a home page which I don't require, so I will just delete it for now. You don't find any page in your store, you have to click create a new page and then click create continue. Then it will open the editor for us. So this video is the purpose to show you how you can design this step by step. I has also had a full length tutorial on designing a Shopify landing page using Pagefly. I will put the link in the description in the card as well. You can check that. It is also a in-depth and step by step beginner tutorial as well. So in this video I'll also try to do that very easily so anyone can understand it. So let's suppose we want to do this first section. So first of all, you have to understand there is a background image here, and in the left side there is a image, and in the right side there is a text, a paragraph, and a button which will redirect people to the collection page. Okay, so in Pagefly how this work, in the left side we will have some option like add element, Shopify element, third party elements, third party application, and then save section. So the layout that you wanted to take is from add element. So if you click on add element, you will find the layout option. So what layout we want to take? We want to take a layout of 2 column. In the left there will be an image, in the right there will be this section. So this is the 2 column layout. Just drag this and you will see that there will be a blue line. That means we have selected a layout, and just drag it here. Then you can see there is 1 column and there is another column and there is a section. So in that section there will be that background image. So I already go ahead and save those images. So to add the image in your section, just select the section, go to styling, and then scroll down and go to this background image section and upload the image that you wanted to add. So this is our background image that will be added here. Okay, then just select and this will be applied here. Then we need to add an image in the left side. To add the image, click the add element again and just scroll down and you will find a media and image area here. Just drag the image in that left column. Okay, then select that image, go to general and upload the image here. So which is the image? This is the image that will be uploaded here. Then click select. Now you can see it is being uploaded as like there. Now what we can do, we can now do that heading area. So for this I will use my what font extension, and it is saying Ubuntu 700 is the font weight, and this is the color code, and it is 53 pixel, 35 pixel is the font size, and 53 is the line height. Okay, then what will be, it will be a heading. So just click on heading and drag a heading here. So if you think this is fast, you can check the landing page tutorial and just press those text, and then go to your font family, and then just click on this option and just try to find Ubuntu. So this is the font that we will use. Then just click done. Then you will see this font will be added here. So this is the font which will be 35 pixel. And what is the color for it? The color for it is black. Okay, 35 pixel. Then we have a paragraph here. We will take a paragraph and drag it below that. And this paragraph, what will say? It will say this area, and it is 16 pixel, and color is hash 3a 3a 3a, and same font family for everything. Okay, then go back here and remove those margin in here. Margin means the spaces, and for this as well. Okay, for this the text will be this one, and the color will be 3a 3a 3a. Okay, then go to font family and select Ubuntu, and it will be 16 pixel. Okay, and if we scroll back, there is a bold in the tomorrow. To make that bold, you need to go to this general area and then drag those tomorrow with your mouse and click this B option. It will be bold, but there is few space in between them. So go to styling and then go to spacing. Just open it and give some margin of 10 top and 10 bottom, and then we have a button here. For the button, click on plus add element, then go to I think, where is the button? There is the button, basic, in the basic. Then drag the button under the paragraph. Okay, then just inspect it and try to see what is the font or color for it. It is 18 pixel Ubuntu, and black is the color. And you can see as well the border radius is 10 pixel, box shadow is this. So if you don't understand this is something related to web design. So this has to be something you have to know. So first of all, it has a background color of, this is the content color will be white, this is right, and the background color will be black. Font family will be Ubuntu, which is 18 pixel. And this is the text, and the text will be, go to your font and click on mode setting. From this area, clear mode setting, make it text transform uppercase. Okay, and also font family is bold, as we see, this is bold. And also there is a 10 pixel radius as well as few padding as well here. So if you see, what is the padding for those buttons? For the button, the padding is 16 in the top and 24 in the right and left. 24 in the right and left. Go to this area and give 24 and 16 top, 16 bottom, and go to below, and you will find there is a border. Just give it, and then try to give it 2. And border radius, for border radius, click on mode setting and then give it 10 pixel border radius. And there is a box shadow as well. For box shadow, you can see there is a box shadow. Just copy those from the code. Okay, and then come to your Pagefly, and then under below you will find the option here to give the box shadow. Then click and paste those box shadow here, so it will give the box shadow as well. And there is a space between the paragraph and the button, so give it a 15 pixel spacing. Now one thing you can notice is that this is in the middle, but this is in the top. To make it in the middle, we need to go to this row option of our Pagefly and then go to general and then make it in the center. Now all the text will be in the center. So this is perfect, and this has done pretty easily, but we need to make sure the spacing is perfect. So I think there will be few more top padding in that case, just like that. And also I think this will be good. It is 18 pixel, it is looking good. And also we can give it more space. Another interesting thing about Pagefly, this is for our desktop, right? And if you want to change the text color for mobile, you can just click this toggle and switch to mobile version. Okay, so for mobile, if we see this website and if we just switch to mobile and check this font value, for mobile it is 16 pixel, right? So in Pagefly, you can easily do that. We can switch to mobile and come to font family and give it 16 pixels. So this will be only applied for mobile, and we can make it center as well. We can make those center as well. And for this, we can reduce the padding in the right and left. and also give it just like that, and also make them in the center. Okay, so this will be looks good. So this how it looking in mobile, also looking good in mobile as well. So this how we can easily make the adjustment for mobile, but maybe some space should be required for the bottom space here. So go select the section and give it the bottom 30 pixel. And also what we can do, we can go to all device for now, and you can select the button, go to general and go to animation and give it a little bit of animation just like float, so it will look something good and people will hover this. And also this will be redirecting people to the, you can select the URL, you can click on it and you can click go to URL and it will be collection page. Okay, you can set one wherever you wanted to give it. You can make it a product page as well. Until now we don't have any product, so there is no product pages for now. So this how we did the first section very easily. Now come to the next section, which is this section. For this section there is a background color, right? So this is the background color for this section, and it has a trading top of 42 and 42. Okay, for the new section we need to go to add element again and take this one column layout just like that, and then go to section, and then we just can go to styling and paste those code that you have copied from here. It will be background color. Okay, so you can see it got the color for us, and there will be a padding of 40 in the top and bottom. And then come to this design and try to see what font they are, size that they are using. They are using 32 pixel, and this is the font, this is the text for those font. Just select them, go to here and click on add element, and again put a heading here, and then click the heading and then go to styling and remove the margin and make it in the center. Then you can see it is very easily to make anything in the center, and the font color will be black and font family will be Ubuntu. And then go here and paste those codes. So you can see it is looking similar. Then come here, and this is again the same font family for the paragraph that we used before. Then select a paragraph, and what we can do to have the same design for this paragraph as well, we can make it center, and we can go back to this paragraph and then click on copy style and come back to this and click on paste style. So it will get the style that the top paragraph have, so you don't have to make it twice. Okay, so this is the paragraph for that, and paste those here. So if you see the spacing is not something that you like, then you can increase the space from here. Just increase the padding margin top. Okay, here as well the margin top will be increased, I think, just like that. Then there is a button again, same button, same design, right? But the text is different, so you can give your own text. So this is just for example, we are using the same text. The button is same. I will just click that button and click on duplicate, and then just drag the button in that area below that paragraph. Okay, then just select the column and just middle the column, so everything will be in the middle. Then click the button and just give the button few more space, because it has a very long space in that area. So it is looking good. If we go to the mobile version, we can adjust it for mobile. For mobile, we will give it 16 pixel, just like other one. Okay, same goes for this. We can increase the padding for mobile. You can give it 20, just like that. So it looks good, better, right? So this is really easy, is it not? So you can see you easily make the two sections. Then come to these sections. So this is the, I think I will show you this and this one, because other than everything is just copy paste. Okay, so you can do that easily if you understand that, and you can check my full length tutorial on Pagefly landing page, which will give you a better understanding about Pagefly as well. So for that we need again a section. Which section? This one column section. Just take this one column section and then copy this heading. This is the same heading, just paste it here. And if we see this design, it is Ubuntu again, but it seems it has a letter spacing of 3 pixel. These don't have the letter spacing. So if it is a letter spacing, just go to then go to more style and give it a letter spacing here. Then just select those text, go back to Pagefly and paste those text. So it will look the similar. And for the padding, we have 80 pixel padding top. We can give it 80 pixel padding top. So it will be a padding of 80 pixel in the top. It is 80 pixel top padding, and in the bottom it could be 40, nothing much. And for this area, what they have, you have a few more text as well, and it is 15 pixel, but the color is the same color as they are using here, H3A 3A 3A, right? This is the color, but it does not look the similar color, right? It looks more dark. It looks more dark, just like that. It is not looking the same color, so I'll just try to change it to black color. Okay, then you can change the text. So changing the text is not a matter, you can do it however you want. So I can change, go to general and paste those text. Then for this area we have these three section, right? So for this we have to go to add element and take those three column section below this one. Okay, then there will be three column, and for those there is a image, there is a heading, and there is a paragraph, and every below them there is a button. So simple as it is. So for image, just like before, we have to go to plus add element, then go to image and take the image here, and then go to general and upload that image. For that I have already saved those images. This is the image here. Just take the image, then you can see the image has been taken. And does the image have a special effect? Click the image with your inspect element, and you can see that this image have a box shadow. So for box shadow, just select those box shadow, copy those box shadow, go to Pagefly, and then go to styling, and then go below and paste those box shadow here. And it also has a border radius, if I am not mistaken. Yes, it has a border radius. How much? 6 pixel border radius. Okay, then go to this image, go to border and give it a 10 pixel border radius, just like that. So it will be rounded circle. Then for this text, just select the text, and it is 19 pixel Ubuntu. Then copy it, come back here, and then click add element, then go to heading, then drag the heading below that one and make it in the middle. Then remove those and then give it 30 pixel and select Ubuntu and give the color to black. Okay, then it will be 19 pixel. Then go to this area and paste those. And for this is also the same paragraph that they are using. Just drag it here, copy it and drag it here, just like before. And it is Ubuntu as well, and if I'm not wrong, it is 15 pixel. It is 15 pixel. Okay, then go here and press those. And how much it is? It is 15 pixel. So you can give it 16 pixel, there is no issue, but there is not a space in that area, you can see. So you can just remove those padding, remove those margin, not padding, and make it just 5. Okay, then there is the button which is the same style. So for that, what we can do, we can just take a button below that paragraph, right, and go to this previous button and click on copy style and come to this and click on paste style. Okay, then what you need to do, just change the text of those buttons, and you can put whatever link you want. Just go to that and go to general and press those, and to make it center, select the column and then go to center. Okay, so this is looking good as well, and we can give it a animation as like the when mouse over, we can give it a float. And then for the linking, we can go to action and put whatever link we want. So this is perfect, right? For this, the process is simple. Just copy that image and then drag it in that column, copy again, then drag the image here, and then change those images. Okay, then click on this, select from media and upload the image from your computer on PC. So this is pretty simple. Okay, then same for goes this heading, just copy it and then just drag it in that column. Same goes for this, just duplicate it, drag it here. Same goes for this paragraph, duplicate it, drag it here, duplicate it, drag it here. Same goes for this button, duplicate and just drag it in that column. And again, just try to remember to make the column in the center. Same goes for this. Just drag it here and then make the column in the center. So this design is already done, just we need to change those contents. So this section is also done. Now come to this section. How we do this section? We'll need to select a section again. Just take a section from here, just drag it below that area in the blue line, and then give it a padding of 30 in the top and 30 in the bottom. And for the design, we need to just click it and make another column. So there will be two columns. In the left column, there will be an image just like the top section, and then go to general and upload that image. This is the image. And then there it have a heading and it have few paragraphs, right? Then upload the image. And it has the same box shadow. That's go to that and then give it, copy those box shadow and also the border radius. Come to that and paste those in that middle area, just like before. And for heading, I think this is the same heading just like this top section, right? So then take a heading from here and then copy style and then come to that area and then click paste style. And for the paragraph, just duplicate the paragraph and just drag it under that one, and it should be in the left line, right? And then for this heading it is 27 pixel, for those it is 16 pixel. So you can just copy those text, and you can see there is a spacing in those text. So these are how many pixel? It should be 17. I think 17 would be good. And then copy, and if you want more text, just paste like that. And for the heading, it is 27 pixel, right? So if it is 27 pixel, just go back here and just paste it here. If you want to make it just text and from uppercase, and there is a letter spacing as well. Then go to styling and then go to more setting and make it text transform uppercase and also give it letter spacing as well, and it will be 27 pixel. Okay, and for this give it a margin, little bit more margin than the other. And also if you want to have more paragraph, you can do that. Just copy paste and have your own text and just click enter and then paste those. I'll just give the same padding in that case. So this is not a matter. And then we have a button. So for the button, this is the same design as we have in the top section, right? Then just duplicate that button and just drag it here. We need to make it in the middle. So to make it in the middle, go to row, then go to general and click this button, and it will make them in the middle. So you can see it is looking good. So if you want to increase the space between this to this text, what you can do, you can go to row and make the space larger like that. Okay, just like that. And after making those changes, you need to click on save. Okay, unless your work will not be saved, then click save page, then click publish. This will publish the page and make it our home page. So this is the process to design a custom home page with Pagefly. We can do the same for the whole design. This is the same process for the whole design. And now let's move to see what we can do with our theme. And also for product pages, as I said, this product page is also need to be designed with Pagefly and also need to be import the reviews with looks. You will find the looks installation in the description. We can do the same design and also install the custom product apps just like that. Okay, so if we see the live preview of our store, this is our home page. Okay, and if we go to our store, to online store, I think we did not make the theme, so just let us publish the theme again. Okay, so we will see what the Debutify theme will do. Just click on customize and let's see what the theme will do. So what the theme will do, we'll just need to select the color palette for that. So this is the color for the top bar. Just go to the Debutify theme and then go to announcement bar, right? And for announcement bar color, go to theme setting, then go to colors. This is the announcement color right now. We'll give it this one. And for the text color, we'll give it a black color. I think black, all the way black, just like that. Okay, so this is the task with theme. Then if you go to footer has a same color, I think. Yes, footer have the same color. So for footer, we need to go to bottom and we will find the footer area. This is the background color for footer. Just give it that color. And then the text color will be black, right? For the text, it will be turned to black. And for accent colors, I don't sure what is the accent color means. Form element. So what do we make the form element color? It will be white. Just like that, it will be white. And for the buttons, what color they gives for the buttons? They gives black for all the way for the buttons. So just give it a black. And for the links and accent, it will be white. For button levels, it will be white as well. So this is how it looks, just as like the example side, right? The footer, I mean the footer, and we can set this as well from our design. And also the menu. So if you see the menu, we need to just create other pages and connect that in the menu. So this is have the text, and this is the your Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram need to be connected unless you cannot see them. So just go to your announcement bar and change the message to this one. And follow us. The follow us will be added as long as you add the your social media here. Okay, you need to add the social media pages here, and you can enable those shares, Twitter. I will just enable them. And for typography, I will go here and change it to Ubuntu, just like we did with Pagefly. Just search for Ubuntu and it will be come up. Then select it and then go for this area. For menu as well, we have used the same font is Ubuntu. Text transform will be uppercase or not. It is default, but in that they have used the default as well. And for body text, same font, it will be Ubuntu. So this is what our theme is actually controlling, right? We are designing the homepage with Pagefly and theme with this option. And then we have these guarantee icons. We can change them from Pagefly as well. Okay, so this is also can be done from the customization option from this area. So these are really easy, so nothing complicated. So this is the task about the theme, and this is the task about the Pagefly. So you need to analyze your any store that you want to copy or clone, and then decide what you wanted to do. And if you need any further help from me, you can find my email in the description. You can reach me out by that, and if I think I can suitable for you for any task or for any help, I'm very happy to do that. So if there's something helps you to understand how you can clone or duplicate any successful Shopify store in your niche, please do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also let me know in the comment if you need to know any type of contents in the future as well. And thanks for watching the video.